Okay, hello, this is Dr. James, and today I'm going to talk about 3D printing using free software. And here we have FreeCAD, and that's got a little bit of a learning curve, but here I've got to push shift and hold down the right mouse button and I can look at my part. And I sent this part to the library because the library is offering, the local library in Fairfax is offering free 3D printing. I don't know how long that's going to be, but I had to go here and export. Well, actually here, we got to select the whole object. So we'll select the whole object. Okay. And so it's all highlighted. Then we'll export. And I chose a name, I call it Spinner. And you can choose different file formats, but they support STL at the library, so I just typed in a file name and then exported it as STL. Spin is what I called it, spin.stl. And then when I was done, I hit save. I'm not going to save it again. And I sent it to the library, and I got there, and the part was just a cone. They'd only exported part of it. So I wanted to find a way to look at the STL files before I send it out to see if it looks right or not, because I don't want to have them print something weird that's, clogs up their queue and then I don't get my right part. And so I was looking around for a free STL viewer, and I found this one right here. This is called Open3D, I believe, and it's got a bunch of help stuff here. I kind of minimize the screen. Let me make it a little bit bigger. So it's got this file open. Okay, it's Open3D model viewer, and I believe I saved my STL file under here. And okay, here it is, Spin 3A. So let's open that up, and here we go. It's got different orthographic views. You can click it and look at it, spin it. So it looks like this part came out okay. Now, what I originally sent, and I'm not sure why FreeCAD did this, is here, I'll show you the original part. Now that I can view it, this is what it sent as just a cone. I don't know where it came up with that, but it didn't render that properly. So anyway, we'll be anxiously awaiting our printed part. It takes about a week for them to go through the queue, and maybe I'll check on it tomorrow and we'll see how that came out. Anyway, so here's some simple free software that you can use to create 3D objects for printing on your 3D printer, or if you have access to a free 3D printer, creating the STL files. Okay, here's the printer at the library. It's a pretty nice printer. It's got a heated base and everything. It's a single color printer, and it's working away printing something right now. Okay, and here is our final finished part. Looks like it came out pretty good. It's a pretty nice 3D printer they have there. Okay, anyway, so that's how you use FreeCAD and Open3D to create parts for a 3D printer, and check them out before you print them. And this is Dr. James, and thanks for watching.